Okay, so currently we have the printout. This is actually what people would, yes, have to print out, or they would, well, I'd have probably given them the printout if it was a questy thing. It's sort of inspired by those spy things where you have the paper and the clues and you have to solve the clues to put it in digitally. So first you've got anagrams, which once you've got the correct words, would put you on to the correct, would give you the answer for the actual game, followed by a Morse code, which again you would read from the game. This one can easily be solved normally. You can also use the internet. I mean, it's probably easier to use the internet. At least it was for me. This is just, these next two are just really logic. They're just using logic. One's a riddle and one's a math problem. It honestly took me a while to figure out, but I managed eventually. The next part is the actual game. So it's segmented into 5 different doors: fire, earth, metal, water, and wood, which are all related to the whole theme of Feng Shui. Now you have the incorrect, where if you click the wrong answer, it takes you to the incorrect. You also have the correct answers, which will take you to the next door. There's no transitions because I haven't quite figured out how to transition yet. Each one relies on pretty much using the code part from the printouts. However, it could be brute forced, and I expect people to actually brute force if they ever did this. You then eventually get your escape. If we actually go onto the share thing, I'm sure it'll load up in a minute. But if we actually go on to the game now, it's nothing special, but you've got the incorrect answers. Which, on the incorrect one, the incorrect ones don't actually take you anywhere. So you don't really go anywhere if you click the incorrect ones again. Now I'm just doing this from memory, but obviously the printout would help a lot. So you go to the wrong one and then you can't really do anything. Click the correct ones, get through all the puzzles.